Hello class 5. In the previous class you have read about the division of fractions, and today we are going to understand the properties of division of fractions and some word problems. So take a look at this. Students, our topic is properties of division of fractional numbers and word problems. For properties, the first property is a fraction divided by 1 is the fraction itself. When you divide a fraction by 1, then you will get the same fraction. That is, for example, 3 by 7 is a fraction and it is divided by 1. Then 3 by 7, and this division change into multiplication, and reciprocal of 1 is 1. So ultimately it will be 3 by 7. Another example, 11 by 20 divided by 1, 11 by 20, division change into multiplication, and 1 reciprocal is 1 by 1, it will be 11 by 20. Again you can see 2 whole 1 by 7 is the fraction divided by 1, and you will get 15 by 7 for that, and division 1. And now 15 by 7, and this division change into multiplication, and the reciprocal of this 1 is 1 by 1. You will get the same number 15 by 7, that is 2 whole 1 by 7. It means if you divide a fraction by 1, then you will get the same fraction every time. Now 0 divided by any fraction is 0. If you divide 0 by any fraction, 0 divided by 5 by 7, or 0 multiplied by 7 by 5, you will get 0. It means 0 divided by any fraction, you will get 0. Ultimately you will get 0. You can see here 0 divided by 2 whole 3 by 5, 0 divided by 13 by 5, this is 13 by 5, and 0 multiplied by 5 by 13, that is 0. It means by any fraction, if you divide 0, then you will get 0. 0 divided by any fraction, you will get 0. Listen carefully, 0 divided by any fraction, you will get 0. Now, a fraction divided by itself is 1. When you divide the number by itself, then you will get 1. And every time actually, except 0. 6 by 13 is a fraction and it is divided by 6 by 13. You know, 6 by 13 multiply, change into multiplication, and write the reciprocal of 6 by 13, that is 13 by 6. You will get 1. 2 whole 7 by 8 divided by 2 whole 7 by 8. 8 2 is 16, 16 7, 23. It's 23 by 8 divided by 23 by 8, and 23 by 8, and division symbol change into multiplication and write the reciprocal of 23 by 8, that is 8 by 23. Then you will get again 1. It means any fraction divided by same, that is itself, then you will get 1. 5 by 4 divided by 5 by 4, 1. 7 by 5 divided by 7 by 5, 1. 100 by 15 divided by 100 by 15, 1. 112 divided by 112, it is 1. 5 by 9 divided by 5 by 9, 1. It means every fraction except 0. 0 divided by 0 is not 1. 0 divided by 0 is not 1. It is not defined. It is not defined. So except 0 by 0, any fraction divided by that same fraction, you will get the same fraction. Okay. Now the division of any number, any fraction by 0 is not possible. Listen carefully. The division of any fraction by 0 is not possible. 0 may be divided by any fraction. You will get 0. But you cannot divide any fraction by 0. You cannot divide any fraction like that. 5 by 7 divided by 0 is not possible. Is not possible. Okay. Now come to the word problem. Vedika has 5 by 6 meter long ribbon and she wants to cut it into 5 equal pieces. What is the length of each piece? The total length of the ribbon is 5 by 6 meter. And how many pieces you have to find into pieces the ribbon? That is 5. So number of pieces is 5. So length of each piece equals the total length divided by number of pieces, any 5. So 5 by 6 divided by 5, and 5 by 6 the multiplied by reciprocal of 5, that is 1 by 5. Ultimately it will be 1 by 6 meter. So the length of each piece of ribbon is 1 by 6 meter. Now the second one is the thickness of a pile of books. The thickness of a pile of books of same type is 16 whole 1 by 2 centimeter. Pile of books, it means books kept on 1 by 1, 1 upon 1, 1 upon 1. So pile of books, the thickness of books is 16 whole 1 by 2 centimeter, and the thickness of one book is 1 whole 3 by 8 centimeter. 1 whole 3 by 8 centimeter. Find the number of books in the pile. Now you can see total thickness of pile is 16 whole 1 by 2 centimeter. It means 16 2 is 32 plus 1 33 by 2 centimeter. And thickness of one book equals 1 whole 3 by 8 centimeter. That is 8 1 is 8 plus 1, 8 plus 3, that is 11 by 8 centimeter. Now the number of books equals total thickness 33 by 2 divided by thickness of one book, that is 11 by 8. Now 33 by 2 is written usual, and this division change into multiplication, and then write the reciprocal of 11 by 8, that is 8 by 11. And if you solve it, 11 3 ja 33, 2 4 ja 8, so 3 4 ja 12. Therefore the number of books is 12. Now I hope the students, you can understand the properties of division of fractions and the word problems, how we can solve the word problems. You can also watch me on my YouTube channel, Ocean of Maths. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.